Hello, internet people! This cooking recipe was made by a robot. Botnik basically is a website where you feed it different scripts or different recipes in this case. It's going to create its own recipe using ideas from the other recipes you gave it. So us in the Gadgets team, we've created our very own Botnik cooking recipe. And it goes like this. This is the title of the food item we're going to make. It's to make a smooth. I have never tasted it's to make a smoothies before, but I bet it is delicious. Don't take this seriously, please. Very lovely apron. It's very tight fit. It's to make a smooth peanut butter and oil together. That makes no sense. It really gives it a nice thick chocolate cake, but it's for a much better apron. A bit manlier. The ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grated lemon. I think that constitutes as 1 teaspoon. I hope. I'm gonna get mayo everywhere. This didn't work! There we go. Okay. 1 pinch of olive. 1 pinch of olive. That does nothing. 1.5 banana mushrooms. Combine the banana mushroom together. Smells absolutely horrible. Put that around the mushroom. This is disgusting. Oh, this is wonderful. Squeeze that together. Oh, look at that. This is lovely banana mushroom. Wonderful thing. Because, you know, you don't want large chunks in your to make a smooth. Looks very aromatic, very delicious, and now we're moving on to the next ingredient. 1 1/4 of fresh basil. Catastrophic! Here's the basil. If you got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, division by 2, that's 2.5, and do that again, it's like 1.25, so you're gonna do a bit of that. And there you got your 1/4 fist of basil. 1 large onion, 1 fresh large onion. I cannot handle the onions. My thing is, I don't have any patience with these because I just want to get it over and done with. The damn onions! Alright. And these lovely onions go into a bowl. 1 tablespoon of chopped liver. How is this going to mix with the banana mushrooms? There we go, we got some nice liver over here. I can't do it with this knife. Chopping board acquired. Now this is the knife you want for this. We're gonna deliver the liver to the bowl. Oh, this is the worst thing created this year. 3 eggs. Got your standard eggs right over there. Beat eggs right underneath the oven once at a time until it's doing great. I ain't beating the eggs one at a time. Hello oven, you've been chosen. I am whisking them underneath the oven. The mayo it is, I'm sure that's more than a cup. Look at all this delicious. You gotta listen to this. 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed soup. Chicken and vegetable, or beef and vegetable. When I feel on the same, when I'm saying aloud. Squeeze the soup. Now that we've squeezed the soup, on to the next ingredient. 1 cup of flour. This is a hole in it. Wonderful. I got flour on my banana mushrooms. This is preposterous. Look at this amazing technology. Who needs to open things when you have the wonderful holes given to you by supermarkets? Just like that, it looks like it really makes the chocolate mixture 200. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees of fresh green color. 200 degrees of fresh green color it is. 200 green color. Excuse me, grab the surface and salt small but not too long islands.
Open sesame.
Islands. Little islands of salt it is. Ain't nothing gonna stop me. You got Malta, the nice big island. Got a bit of gozo over here. Naqra awċina, and comino is barely in existence because only like one dude lives there. Mix it all together for the sauce of flavor. Oh, that's nasty. Forgot the flour? You cannot forget. Oh, that's coming together horribly. I know, it's horrible. I'm repeating this. Whisk together until it's pork, then stir. I'm not gonna argue at this point. At this point, everything is on the table, literally. Bake for 30 minutes and it'll look like a big piece of aluminum foil.
Well, let me tell you a little something about me. When it's Saturday
Okay.
night, I need to blow off some
That's
steam.
nasty. Look at that. Absolute chef genius.
One,
Put this
two, three,
bad
go!
boy in. It really did turn into an aluminum. Ah, hot! Oh, look, it looks like a big, disgusting quiche. It smells great. Oh, there's the banana mushrooms, yeah! Okay, I'm gonna taste this scrubber. Okay. No. That's nasty! Why? No! Damn, do not trust your robots. Or your... Do not trust your AI, your robots, your damn washing machine or whatever to make damn recipes. This is the worst thing ever created since the dawn of food. That was a lovely Botnik creation. Thank you for watching.